Alright guys, so we're going to kick this segment of the video off, the intro, by showing you guys we've just been to A1. I've just dropped off my subframe anti-roll bar, so hopefully they do a great job on that. I'm sure they will. So it's dark, it's Tuesday, and we're going to be painting the engine bay now. We're on our way up to my house first of all to go and grab the paint because it arrived today, which is great. Last night I went round my grandma's and for about an hour masked up the car, got it all ready, and my grandma helped as well. There's a couple of bits which I just can't mask. If I get paint on them, whatever, I'll probably use like a white spirit to get it off or something. Subframe and anti-roll bar and the dog bone mount, which is part of the subframe pretty much, is all ready to collect from A1 as well, so we're going to be collecting that tomorrow at lunchtime. In terms of recording the painting, I don't want to record it too much. I don't really want to get my phone ruined, so I'll see you at my grandma's house. Catch you in a minute. Alright guys, so first coat is done, as you can see, just a dust coat, and then we'll go over it again afterwards with a nice thicker coat. Right guys, I've got to fast forward the video like the whole way. I did spray the whole thing. Unfortunately there was no way of me recording it, and I just wanted to focus on spraying it. It's not going to be this whole video, we're going to include some other bits as well, but holy shit, this looks so good. I'm so happy with it. I started with a dust coat as my dad recommended. After the dust coat I started back where I started. For the second coat, light coat, and then the third coat was a heavier coat. And the fourth coat was just touching up little areas, you know, little bits here and there. Wow, I'm so happy. It reacted in one place, and a few places I didn't mask off properly at all. A few bits I kind of rushed, but it looks great. Honestly, I'm extremely happy with it. I don't think it could have really got much better than this with me just doing it on my own, so I'm really happy. I'm going to show you guys now. Wow, here she is. Look at that. That shine. I really did try and take my time. It reacted down there. I don't know if you guys can see, probably see now. It did react a little bit, which is fine, you know, you're never going to see that. It's a bit annoying, but it's not the end of the world. I tried to get as good coverage as I possibly could. And the colour match is absolutely perfect. Look at that. This is obviously bodywork, so this will be eventually flatted back, lacquered. But the shine, guys, oh my lord. I can't stress enough how happy I am with this. Oh, right there. Oh yeah. I got along here as well. A few dust particles over there. I don't care. I am seriously happy with that, guys. Wow, within this whole time of me like working cars and stuff, I don't think I've ever done a spray job that good to my standards. And the VIN, oh my lord, look at that. Perfectly masked by yours truly. I've got to toot my own horn a little bit here. I am very happy. You know, we're not in a body shop, guys. This is a rattle can. We've been using these rattle cans, these pre-mixed rattle cans to my colour code, which is there, as you guys can see, zinc yellow, and the Ford zinc yellow, don't forget that. This is not a generic RAL code zinc yellow. This is Ford zinc yellow, and this is the Ford colour code here. I just can't believe my eyes, and when the whole car goes in this colour, it's just going to look so good. We've got the subframe to put in next, and oh, I can't contain my excitement. Alright guys, so we're back in the lab. Subframe looks really good. I'll show you guys that in a moment. Currently working on the servo. I originally sanded it down. I kind of went a bit half-assed on it, so now I'm sort of facing the consequences. There's loads of like rough bits around. So what I'm doing is getting it down to the metal. After that's fully down to the metal, then I'll work my way up to like a 400, 500 grit. And then I'll apply the primer. So yeah, don't rush things. That'll probably be sprayed on Saturday, maybe, depending on, I literally want it all down to the bare metal, so we'll see how that goes. Over here, just primed up the brake bar. Probably going to give it about half an hour, then give it a top coat. Something that I've never used before. We've got a gold here, enamel spray paint, so hopefully that comes out quite nice. First coat, pretty damn happy with that. It's a lovely metallic. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so we're currently walking the steering rack over. Just arrived in the post. We're going to try and put that on, and should be all good. I've also cracked on with a couple of other bits, sprayed up the servo, as you guys know, lacquered it, and also put some paint on the master cylinder as well, so that should be nice. Alright guys, so here's the steering rack, got it assembled. Came in like a matte black and it looked pretty crap, so I cleaned it up and done a terrible job painting it, but whatever, you can see all of these ugly little bits here. It doesn't really matter, never really going to see it, but yeah, there she is, and she's sitting on the subframe, which I haven't showed you guys yet. Anti-roll bar out the back. I haven't tightened anything yet, I'll get around to doing that later. We're just getting everything set up. I'm going to definitely give this a clean, and not going to get ahead of myself too much. I'm going to wait till Ed next comes round so we can sort of think about what's next. Bits like these suspension shocks are probably just going to be put on eBay. Coming back here, I've lacquered up the servo, master cylinder, painted the master cylinder. There's a servo, looking beautiful. Master cylinder there, which I painted silver. Started putting the pollen filter box back in. Just little bits and bobs. Lacquered up the bar at the back as well, which really is popping, as you guys can see now. I'm currently working on this piece here, which is just the ABS type thing. It's like an ABS bracket for this piece over here, which while that dries, I'm just going to clean this up now. Right guys, so I'm going to end this video here. Wasn't sure when I was going to end it, to be honest. Didn't quite get around to doing that, forgot completely. So yeah, so far we've had the engine bay all painted up now, subframe, all of that's ready to go in pretty much. So I'm just waiting for the bolts. Just bought some new bolts from work for the subframe, and then the next video will include doing that and some other little bits and bobs. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm now walking to work. As always, I've been Lewis, you've been awesome. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.